How to manage credit card alerts on PNC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to stay on top of your credit card activity, well, here is how to manage alerts with PNC. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the PNC Mobile App on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside, you can just tap on the menu and then select Settings or Alerts. And there you just have to choose Credit Card Alerts and toggle alerts on or off for transactions, payments, due dates, and more. And here make sure to save your settings. And with that, that's how you can manage your PNC credit card alerts. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.